Jai Hind. Hello, my dear little ones. Can you identify me? Yes, I am your Rashmi teacher. So, little ones, after a long period, I am in front of you for taking class. So far, I think you have completed 2 units, including 2 prose lessons and 2 poems from the term textbook. So dear ones, today we are going to deal with the 3rd unit, and as usual, the first is a poem little by little. Before getting into the poem, I want to tell you an interesting matter that you all are lovely cute babies. Childhood is considered to be the happiest part of one's life. When a baby comes, the happiness, care and all the things given by the parents are beyond the words. The parents really enjoyed each moments and each stages of the baby's life. Am I right? Likewise, this will happen not only in human beings but also in plants and animals. They also are living things like us. How a baby grows from his initial stage to the final stage, that means from a baby to a grown-up man. Like that, a plant also starts its life from a small seed to the final stage as a big tree. So children, what is an acorn? Acorn is a small nut of an oak tree. Acorn is a small nut of an oak tree.
It is the picture of an oak tree, and the fruit it produces is called an acorn or oak nut. As you all know that a plant develops from a seed, a tiny little seed. Similarly, an oak tree develops from a tiny acorn. Wildlife that consumes acorns include birds like jays, pigeons, woodpeckers, and some small mammals like mice and squirrels.
The oak tree states its story from the beginning till it becomes a complete tree. That is how an acorn develops beneath the mossy soil, gradually spreading its roots into the earth and branches far and wide in the air and ultimately becomes the forest pride. Children, are you ready to watch a video? Okay.
Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sang in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew, little by little it sips the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root, up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. La 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 la.
Children, have you enjoyed the video? So children, let's move on the first stanza. Unit 3rd. Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Read about how the little acorn grew big. Little by little. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Children, who is the narrator in this poem? Yes, an acorn. Children, the words said by someone are written in inverted commas. That is, it is improving in its growth process. Step by step, it is improving. While it is fixed in its moissy bed, which means the moisture surface of the earth. The seed is sown underneath the earth. It grew little by little by drinking a very little dew. Children, what do you mean by dew? Dew means tiny drops formed on the cool surface of leaves or flowers. So here it is said that the acorn is sipping the dew little by little and growing day by day. Let us now understand the second stanza of the poem. Okay, children? Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Children, all of you must have seen roots. Their structure is like thread and grows under the soil. Now, the roots grow under the soil in the downward direction. Similarly, the shoot grows upward direction above the ground. Shoot includes stem, leaves, flowering stems, etc. Children, you must have learned these all in your EVS class, isn't it? Now, the time passes with days and years. We can notice the slender branches. Slender means thin. There were leaves on the slender branches. These thin branches grow out into a mighty means powerful, oak tree. So these slender branches grow into a powerful oak tree, making forest pride. So children, to summarize this poem, we can say that an acorn, a small seed, grows into a powerful oak tree and become forest pride. Similarly, every child must grow wise and intelligent and becomes a society's pride. Okay?
Let's find some rhyming words. Will you help me? Set, bed, day, away, grew, dew, root, shoot, ear, appear, white, pride.
Now let's discuss word meanings one by one. First word is hidden. Meaning is kept out of sight. Sentence: the cat was hidden among leaves. Next word is slowly. Meaning at a slow speed. Sentence: I was walking slowly in the park. Next word is downward, meaning towards a lower place. Sentence: roots grow in the downward direction. Next word is slender, meaning very thin. Sentence: the plant's leaves are long and slender. Next word is mighty, meaning powerful. Sentence: the mighty king asked his servants to serve him food. Next word is branches, meaning a part of a tree which grows out from the trunk. Sentence is: branches of a tree hold the leaves and fruits of a tree. Next word is pride, meaning to be proud of something. Sentence: we take great pride in our achievements. Next word is improving, meaning to become better. Sentence: I am improving my drawing skills slowly. Next word is sipped, meaning to drink something in small quantity. Sentence: Reena sipped her juice with a straw. And the last word is shoot. Shoot is a part of a plant above the ground. Sentence: shoot has a stem, leaves and flowers.
Children, have you all enjoyed the poem? So, this poem's textual exercise is very simple. Can we do now? So, please open the page at 24. First question. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. The acorn grows into an oak tree. Second one. What things does a seed need to grow? Answer. A seed needs air, soil, water and sunlight to grow. Third one. How many describing words can you find in this poem? We can find 5 describing words in this poem. They are mossy, thread-like, tiny, slender and mighty. Second, talk time. Look at the 2 pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. So children, the first picture, the tree said to us that I give you all this, and the tree is very happy. Then what about the second tree? The tree asks us, what do you give me? The tree is very unhappy. Okay, let's write picture 1. Look at picture 1. Write 3 sentences on what the trees gives us. First one, trees give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Trees are used in making medicines to get well. Trees give us fresh air to breathe. Then second one. Now look at picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. We harm the trees by cutting them for fuel and rubber. We harm the trees by cutting them for making furniture. We destroy the nest and their birds have to fly away. These words describe parts of a tree. Write them in the given space. So children, some parts of a tree are there. We have to write them. First one, stem. It gives strength to the tree. Second one, bark. It is the brown colored out layer of wood. Third one, leaves. These are green colored part that makes food in a tree. Branches. They grow out of the stem from where leaves appear. Twigs. These are thin branches on the tree. Roots. These grow downward and hold the tree in the soil. Last one, shoot. It is the part of a plant that grows above the ground. So children, the last exercise. Match the opposites. One has been done for you. So what are the opposites? Downward, upward. Slowly, fast. Little, big. Slender, fat. Mighty, weak. And the last one, day. What is the opposite of day? Night. Okay, children, I think you all have enjoyed the video. Really, we get a good message from the poem. Plants make people happy. So save the plants and trees. Keep going and keep growing. See you on the next class. Thank you.